Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make this fighter jet. So let's go. So this fighter jet is divided in some pieces. We start with the back one. It is pretty easy. We need these two pieces and these two cylindrical bricks. You can make this in any color. We need these two pieces on top of 1x2 plate. Just need to assemble this like this. Take the cylinder shaped bricks. Take one of the wing and clip it over like this. Do the same on the other side. Your back part is completed. So the second part is this one. This also uses the same technique. We just need a 2x3 plate and two of these pieces over here and here, and same way that we used in earlier to clip this over like this. Take a 1x4 tile and place it over here. So yeah, this part is completed. We will assemble it in the end. So this is the wing, which is also pretty easy. We need this type of piece and 2x4 placed over here like this, and a 1x4 over here, and we need a minifigure hand. You can use in black or grey and place it on this. We need 1x6 tile and the clip piece over here on the second, and place it over here with one spot ahead like this. Make two of these. After this, we need to make this, the moving piece and this piece, which will be our turret for the plane, and a 1x1 plate on top of this. Make two of these for both wings, and lastly for the wings, take this piece with a over on the front, take a cheese loop and place it over here. You need to place it on opposite sides like this. After this, you need to take a 1x3 plate with two cheese slopes and places this over here like this. This will connect our back part and the wings and the front part. This is also pretty easy. We need two of these pieces connected over here like this and like this. So we just need to place this apart like this, one over here and one over here. After this, you need to take this piece. I have placed this over here because I didn't have the flat one. If you have the flat one, you can use that too. And just need to take this and place it over here. Take a 1x1 tile, plate. After this, you need 1x1 plate to place over here. After that you need to take this, which is little bit inside compared to this one. It is different. Take this, take another of this and place it like this. Take a 1x1 round plate, place it over here, and take this piece, take a transparent cheese slope and transparent brick with a round plate at the end of it, like this. To assemble it, just take this transparent piece, place it on the white side, and take the another part and place it over here. So all the pieces are done. This is the connector of the back part. We will need a 1x3 plate. You can also add to the round pieces. You can take the flat 1x1 plate. After making this, you will need this piece and just need to place it on top of this. So now to assemble it, first we need to take this front piece, take the wings, leave this piece aside for some time, take these pieces, place it over here like this. Do the same on the another wing. So take this piece, take the front part, and before that take this piece, place it over here like that. Take the front piece and place it like this over here. Take this 1x6 tile off. After that, take the wings and place it over here on the two remaining. Take a 1x2 plate, place it over here so that it won't break. Take the next wing, place it same. After placing the wings, take this part, place it on the 2x3. On this, you need to place the thing that we made, this, and in the hole this piece should go so that it stays in the center. After this, take the 1x6 tile and place it below. So your fighter jet is ready. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye guys.